Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website, total two websites where we can create Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. Okay, so the first website name is umobus.com, and you guys can see this is a website dashboard. And for this website you guys can see according to Acharya to domain rating is 38. So now we can start. So in the on this website there is no any requirement. You guys can create your profile, then you guys can start doing your bookmarking or any another activity. Okay, so simply you guys can click for the submit post button, and from there you guys can add your post title for the which post you wanting to do bookmarking. So suppose that I am going to do social bookmarking for this blog post, so I'm just copying the blog title, and from there you guys can add a short content. So I'm just copying the content throughout my website, but your case you guys can generate a fresh content because right now I don't have time, so that's why I'm doing these things. So video interview, you guys can select your keyword, and you guys can paste your website, your blog or your service page, which page you wanting to do bookmarking, and you guys can upload your bookmark image, and you guys can select your category. So our category is recruitment, so there is no any category related to the recruitment. So there I can going to add video interview software. Okay, then you guys can click for the submit button, and you guys can see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL. Okay, so I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality contextual backlink. Okay, so if you guys can think this is a instant approved backlink or not, so I can show you in incognito. So it's instant approved backlink. So you guys can see here it is. So this is instant approved backlink. Okay, so we have created on first website. So the next website name is Bookmark. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Extent.com, and according to Acharya the domain rating is 52. So this is a website dashboard. So simply you guys can click for the register button, and there you guys can add your username, your email ID, then you guys can choose your password. And you guys can verify your captcha rack, and then you can click for the create a user button. So you can see I have created a profile on that website. So this is a profile landing page URL, and after that you guys can click for the submit button, and there you guys can paste your website URL, which URL you wanting to create a bookmarking backlink. Then you guys can click to continue button. There you guys can add your title. So this is the title of this blog: interview scheduling. Interview scheduling, and in the description section there I can going to add a short content, and you guys can verify your captcha, and you can click for the save changes and submit button. So this is a social bookmarking landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created a high quality to do follow social bookmarking backlinks. So this is a process for social bookmarking on those websites. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So, and for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.